Good morning, YouTubers, stock Twitters, followers on YouTube. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and of course to our members. Our members get to chat with us all the time. Today is Monday, not even 10:30, and a beautiful, beautiful morning it is in Tampa Bay. It is just gorgeous. And depending upon what side of the market you're on, it's either a gorgeous morning in the market or it is a very bad day in the market. Just one of the reasons why we trade futures is futures are liquid and futures trade all the time. That's where the banks put their money. They're not going to be subject to, 100-point gap down. But we are moving down today. And let's take a look. We had some people ask, how is Swing Machine doing? Well, don't worry about Swing Machine. Let's just take a look. On the 5-minute ES contract at 11:05 last night, yes, Sunday night, they pulled the plug on these markets. One contract and you would be up $4,187 thereabouts. Now the NQ has been flashing in and out on a 5-minute, so it's trying to go short again. It was up thousands. The YM at 11:05, what a coinkydink, up $4,000, 11:05. And the Russell at 11:05 is up 2,730. So much for free markets, folks. They put everybody to bed at 11 o'clock, and then the boys said, let's pull the plug and gap them down in the morning and take their bread away. Gold. For all the gold bugs up there, gold's going up, gold's going down. Well, it's going down today, and we can make all kinds of rationale and reasons. My guess is the dollar is rallying. But when did Swing Machine sell gold? On a 5-minute basis at 3:40 this morning, just before the war room and the Treasury opens, and they said dump gold. $5,400 a contract you would be up if you sold it at 1957.4 or at 3:40 this morning. And yes, Treasuries are long. The VIX is long as well. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you want to chat with us today, I'm here. You see those trades that you see up there? Those are automated trades. Automated. And we put puts on. Check our Twitter stream. We put puts on north of 3,400. Now, did we take half off on Friday? Yes, we did. We booked some of our profits. But do we still have the other half? Yes, we do. Oh, yes, we do. Just one of those 34.25 puts that we tweeted out is up close to $20,000 a piece. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Now, let me show you. Let's go to what we call the back tees. Check this out. This is a gorgeous thing. Look at the VIX 9 hours ago. It said we are going down. The market is going down because the VIX was going up. That was at 3 a.m. this morning. $2,400. Now the ES on a 60-minute, just 64 hours ago. 64 hours ago, one contract, you'd be up 7,500. NQ, and that was at 5 p.m. on the 16th. 5 p.m. on the 16th. The NQ, 66 hours ago, 12 grand. 3 p.m. on the 16th. That's where the trade was. The YM, the Dow, 61 hours ago, $5,500. One contract, 9 a.m. on the 16th. And then the Russell was a little bit later. Remember, it was flashing a little, it was stubborn. Just 22 hours ago, 1 p.m. on the 18th. and then gold gave it up this morning at 3 a.m. This is how we stay on the right side of the market. Now, do you want to know why it's selling down? Do you want to know why it's going up? I could make some shit up. I could turn on CNBC and look at the Wizards of Smart or Neil Cavuto. I love Neil. It's not a loss until you sell it. Oh, okay. He's been sitting on his arse for 35, 40 years and hasn't learned a thing. If you're holding stock long and your account is going down, it is a loss. It is a loss. Try to get a loan against it. The bank will say you can't have a portfolio that was worth $100,000 a month ago go down to $50,000 and then say to the bank, I want to get a loan against $100,000. It's going to go up. It's going to go back up. You know that. Let me know how that works out for you. It doesn't work that way. Now, I know what you want to see. You want to see the pro tees. The daily is dipping, so this baby is just getting started. The NQ is going short today. The Dow is just dipping. The Russell is just dipping. It's just a dip, right? Well, every major hurricane starts with what you know it to be a little butterfly fart in the Sahara Desert. Is this just a little butterfly fart to be bought? Not going to turn into something more major? Well, we don't think so. We are also, look at what the sheep look at, the 50-day moving average. We're blowing through it. For the second time in 6 months, that is called an ice hole failure. Not good. Let's go look at the stocks. And now, one of the things that we can do here are some of the top 25 stocks that the Robin Hooders like to trade. Let's put this on a 60-minute because we can. You see, they're all trading it on a daily basis. Why would you do that? You can get inside them. And let me show you. Well, Penn is in a dip. It is still long. Zoom is still long. Isn't that pretty damn good? Up $18, $19. But look at the rest of these. This amount of money is how much you would be up if you had gone long or short $10,000 in these individual stocks. Now, what is absolutely wild, there are 25 of the top stocks. Most of them are short. Some of them are long. And all of them are in the money. This one's yellow because it's just going in now. Swing machine. We can do this in less than 5 minutes for the entire S&P 500, the Russell 2000, the IBD 100. This is how we make our decisions and make our decisions quickly. So I'm going to be here and just doing some work, doing some programming. You see, much of all of our trades are programmed. You're welcome to give us a call. 813-758-8263. I'm not going to chase you down. Nope. Not going to send you any spam. Not going to get your phone number and make 100 phone calls to you. Nope. We don't do tabletop displays at the home show or at the boat show. Nope. I'm only interested. We are a mentoring site. We're only interested in those people who really, really have a passion for this and really, really want to take control over this part of their life. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. For the real serious person, we're prepared to share the proprietary indicators and strategies and the approach that we have honed over years and years of trading ourselves, our own bread, folks. If that interests you, give us a shout. We can't promise, we don't promise. We can promise you you're going to learn. We can promise you that you're going to have a good time. Can we promise you that you're going to make money? No, we're not saying that. We don't know. People do what people do. But we will certainly do our best to help you have some fun, save you some time, and to give you some structure to play the probabilities, because that's what this all is, probabilities. Good luck today, folks, and this week.